Hey guys, so today we're going to be showing you how to easily and safely remove a puppy's dew claws with minimal blood if you do it the right way. A lot of times no bleeding. So first off, make sure that you have alcohol on hand. You're going to want to have a good utensil, and this is something here you can get from Walmart in the pharmacy area. I like this. This works really good. Which I've already got that setting in my alcohol. We also have some blood stop powder. You can order this offline, and that's just in case, again, you get one that's bleeding a little bit more than the rest. You can put it in there, and it helps stop the blood, coagulates everything. And we have some towels to apply pressure if need be, or you can use Q-tips, cotton balls, and then a little bit of iodine. The iodine will come in handy a little bit later. You want to make sure the blood's completely stopped after you've done everything. Maybe come back about 30 minutes, an hour later, and then dab just a little bit of iodine on them. So besides that, then you need yourself a puppy. Another thing I'll address, guys, I know a lot of people, even on the last video, go, oh, it's so mean, it's so cruel. You know, I mean, it's, number one, people go, does it hurt? Number two, do you need to do it? Number one, don't mess with the front dew claws, because those are attached to certain ligaments and into the bone, and that can hurt them. But the back one, guys, nowadays dogs do not need their dew claws. This is a trait that goes back to the wolf. I myself, I only have 2 females that ever throw pups with any dew claws. And, you know, again, for those who go, oh, it's mean, and that, you know, hey, do you guys have any kids? Did you get your kid circumcised? Well, if you did, then shut up. I don't want to hear about it. It's all the same. So now we're going to show you an easy, effective way, safe way to get these guys' little dew claws off. All right, guys, so here we go. And again, you know, people go, oh, on the videos, they hear the puppy squealing. Well, I mean, they're squealing anyways when you get them away from mom. They don't want to be out. Yes, they're going to feel a little pressure, but again, nothing like if you had an adult dog who snags this down the road and now the tendons are firm and you've got a dog that needs to go to surgery. So all we're going to do is we're going to come in there, right behind it, give a good squeeze. Boom, guys, it's that simple. And as you see, we don't have any blood. A little blood coming. We'll just take a little bit of this blood stop. Again, this will help it coagulate. And we're good to go. On to the next one. Okay, guys, so show you one more puppy. Again, like I said, you can tell they're whining beforehand. When we do it, they're going to make a little noise. Don't let that scare you. Get this sucker. Okay, and we'll have, like I said, my helper on hand to help me. This should be pretty easy. That one's not too big. Well, that's it, guys. Took 2 little clamps, but, and again, now look, he's not whining. Okay, and we got one more. Let's flip them this way for me. That's it, guys. Okay. Dew claw done. And look, he is fine. Beautiful puppy. And again, keep in mind, you want to do this between when they're first born. I'd recommend at least giving a couple days, but no later than 4 days. All right, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section, and thank you for watching.